Hold on tight, because today's courtroom saga is a rollercoaster of broken promises, drug confessions, and a judge who doesn't hold back. Meet Alexis Rodriguez, a mother, a night shift worker, and someone who's clearly struggling to keep it together. But is that enough to excuse her repeated violations of bond conditions? This case starts with an affidavit to surrender and spirals into a series of shocking revelations, from skipped drug tests and failed sobriety commitments to a DUI with a child in the car. And just when you think it's over, Alexis drops the line that stuns everyone: "I just want to go to jail." Why would someone ask to be locked up? And how does the judge respond when patience runs thin? Let's dive into this dramatic showdown where addiction, accountability, and the law collide.
All right, so the first thing we have is the affidavit to surrender surety.
Yes, Judge, I had not seen her since I got notice that there was a pre-trial violation. You wanted a...
So you want to go forward on the...
Sure, yes. Some sort of violation on pre-trial services.
Yes, I mean, do you
Oh, yes.
still want to surrender surety? All right, Laura Deputy Mejia, she's going into custody. All right, so the affidavit to surrender surety will be granted.
The moment the judge grants the affidavit to surrender, it sets a legal chain reaction into motion. This means Alexis is officially being taken into custody, a formal process that removes her bond status and prepares her for detainment. It's not just a symbolic gesture, it's a legal admission that she's failed to comply with the court's previous leniency. What's wild is that this surrender isn't due to a single slip-up. This is a pattern of non-compliance that's forced the court's hand. From a legal perspective, this is often a last resort. But emotionally, this signals that the court no longer believes she's capable of following rules outside jail walls.
And then we have the non-compliance.
Bye. See you when I see you. Goodbye.
And
this is the first violation report.
there was a second one, I believe, yesterday.
Is there a second violation on Ms. Rodriguez? All right, so what I can tell you on your violation report, the violation report is that you have not done your testing, your drug testing, or done your sober support meeting. So obviously you want to be in custody. Is that correct?
No, ma'am.
Have you contacted your attorney?
No, ma'am.
So obviously you want to be in custody, because if you did not want to be in custody, you would have contacted your attorney, you would have done your conditions that were given to you while you're on bond, and you didn't do any of those.
Mhm.
So
I've
that
been
tells me,
contacting the person I've been going to go see for the drug testing, telling him that I haven't been able to make it because I picked up a job, night shifts, and I have 2 kids and I got no help.
Mhm.
So I've been telling him, like, whenever I've been able to,
if you're drug tested today, it's going to be dirty, right?
yes, ma'am.
This is the moment everything breaks wide open. Alexis admits her drug test would come back dirty, and her excuse: working nights, raising 2 kids, no help. It's heartbreaking, but the judge doesn't flinch. And legally, the judge is right. If you can find time to use drugs, the law expects you to find time for your court obligations. The emotional tension here is off the charts. Alexis is overwhelmed, yes, but she's also evading responsibility. It raises a tough question: should empathy override enforcement? Let us know in the comments. Do you think the judge was too harsh, or was this accountability long overdue?
All right, so obviously you've found time to use drugs during your busy schedule, but you can't find time to report to pretrial services. And based upon your drug use, you should not have custody of children, because when people are using drugs, they are not good parents. You can't be a good parent.
OOS,
See you when I see
this
you.
line
Goodbye.
hits hard. You can't be a good parent and use drugs.
And this is the first
That's not
violation
just a
report.
personal opinion, it's a stark
There
legal
was a
reality in
second
family
one,
court.
I believe,
When a parent tests positive,
yesterday.
especially while on bond,
Is there a
the
second
court must
violation
assume they
on
pose
Ms.
danger to any children
Rodriguez?
in their care. Judges aren't just punishing bad behavior, they are protecting innocent kids from unsafe environments. But
All right,
here's
so
where
what
the
I can
drama
tell you on your
intensifies.
violation report, the
Alexis
violation
clearly loves her
report is
children,
that you
yet
have
her
not
actions tell a different
done
story.
your testing,
This
your drug
contradiction
testing,
is where
or
the
done your
heartbreak
sober
lies.
support meeting. So
Is
obviously,
she a
you want to
struggling
be in
mom
custody.
or a danger
Is that
in
correct?
denial?
No, ma'am.
Have you turned and used drugs? So there you are. So you're going into custody today?
And Judge, I just see one violation report filed first.
And that's my mistake. I thought there was a second one, and you said there's a compliance hearing set for today, and that's when I caught
Oh,
the first email that came out.
All right. So Norma,
yes, ma'am.
reset. And are you going to stay as her attorney or no?
I'll do a motion to draw up the next week, Judge.
All right. If you want to go ahead and go on orally on the record.
And do an oral run.
All right. The court is going to call NIMAC number 738729, State versus Alexis Christian Rodriguez for the defense.
Judge Joseph McAguilar, on behalf of Ms. Rodriguez, I am the attorney of record and have filed an affidavit to surrender, and I would also like to make a verbal motion to withdraw as her attorney.
All right.
And no communication, no follow-up in any employment agreement.
All right. As previously stated, the court is granting your affidavit to surrender surety, and the court will grant the motion withdraw. And I think once you've done the affidavit to surrender surety, there is sort of a conflict.
Exactly.
All right. That will be granted.
So now her attorney formally withdraws from the case, citing no communication and no employment agreement. This is a big deal. An attorney withdrawing mid-case is rarely a good sign. It means the trust, the dialogue, the professional bond, it's all broken. And when you combine that with her being surrendered to custody, it paints a bleak picture of a defendant spiraling out of control. In legal terms, Alexis is now starting from scratch, possibly needing a public defender, further delaying her proceedings, and signaling to the court that she's not taking the process seriously. The courtroom's patience is running thin, and you can feel it.
Doing to help maintain your sobriety?
I don't drink. It's just and I know it's wrong.
No, I cannot hear you. You need to stay still, stop moving around, because when you move around, we can't hear you. So, what are you doing to maintain your sobriety?
Well, I'm just not gonna drink because I usually don't drink. It was just my sister's birthday, so it was a family function, and I won't drink no more.
This excuse. It was my sister's birthday. The judge isn't buying it, and frankly, neither should we. Alexis is out on bond for allegedly driving drunk with a child under 15 in the car, a serious felony. The condition is crystal clear, no alcohol. But here she is, blaming a birthday party for relapse. The judge's tone turns icy for good reason. When alcohol use has already endangered a child, there's no room for leniency. Yet Alexis seems detached from the seriousness of her actions. This isn't just about drinking, it's about recklessness while under court supervision. The consequences: potential jail time and permanent loss of custody.
More, and I don't drink. It was just
No, you do drink. And let me just tell you why I know you drink. Allegedly, this case has been indicted because you were driving while intoxicated with a child under 15. So allegedly, that means that you were drinking alcohol. That's why it's driving while intoxicated. You're on bond for driving while intoxicated with a child under 15, which you think would be a wake-up call for you not to drink alcohol. And you're still using excuses to drink. So what I'm telling you is you are not allowed to drink while you are on bond. Now, what I can do is I can issue a warrant for your arrest. And if you drink, it'll be you making alcohol at the Bexar County Jail, which my understanding you can do with orange pills after you let it mold. So that will be the only way that you'll be getting your alcohol.
Now the judge lays out a strict roadmap: ignition interlock, alcohol awareness classes, and 30 sober meetings in 30 days. This is more than just punishment, it's a final opportunity to get clean and prove she's serious. But here's what's important: if Alexis fails any of these conditions, she risks not just jail, but possibly losing her freedom entirely until trial. Judges don't hand down these conditions lightly. They are offering structure, support, and a last shot at rehabilitation. But will she take it? That's the burning question. What would you do in her shoes, fight to recover, or spiral deeper? Comment below. White down pointing backhand index.
July, please.
The 21st.
All right, so you're going to be back here on July 21st.
Judge, I'm on vacation that week. I'll be
Okay.
back the following week.
All right, let me see. Just 1 second. Oh, where are you going? Are you just going to be a staycation?
No, I'm taking the kids to Florida, the wife and kids to Florida.
Oh, that's going to be awesome. So you want to do it the week of the 28th? Or you want to do it the week of the 14th?
Of August.
July.
I'll get back like August 1st, Judge.
All right, so do you want to do it the week of July 14th? Is that good or no?
No, we're going a long time.
Oh, okay. All right, Norma,
Yes,
set this for the week of August 1st. I'm sorry, August 4th.
I can do the 4th.
All right, you're going to be back on August 4th. And state that's the final discovery. So the blood discovery needs to be given to him. And if some reason they don't have the blood discovery, then they need to be here to explain why they don't have it. All right, Mr. Cloud, your attorney is out sick.
Okay, how you doing this morning?
Doing okay? How you doing?
I'm doing all right, but best that I can be.
So, where does Alexis Rodriguez stand now? After multiple violations, a revoked attorney, and a courtroom showdown full of emotional admissions, she's staring down a tough road ahead. She's been ordered into custody, bound by strict sobriety conditions, and awaiting further evidence on serious DUI charges involving a child. The court gave her chances, many, in fact, but the real question is whether she can rise to the occasion, or let it all fall apart. This case is a powerful reminder: in the courtroom, excuses don't hold up, evidence does. White right pointing backhand index. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns. We've got plenty more drama, insight, and legal fire coming your way. See you in the next one.